Alright guys, so it's not the best viewing angle for you. And Scoochie's over here a little. And yeah, I've never pulled a power supply apart before, so I'm assuming we're just going to start at the side here. Yeah. Zoom in a bit. There we go. Alright, so it's gonna.
I think you can do much better than me. After all the lies that I made you believe.
Alright guys, so I'm just gonna pull this cover up and out. I think that's how it goes. Oops, sorry. Okay, well it's not coming out because there's a thing there which I probably should have unscrewed. So yeah, I'll be back. I'm back. It'll come off now. I'm just gonna push this screw out so it doesn't land on the floor. And there's a top bit off. Maggie, don't touch that. Chuck on your bed. Good enough. Alright, so get you guys off the tripod. So this is the deal. I don't know anything about power supplies. You guys tell me if it's supposed to look like what it looks like. Wow, they are massive caps. They're so much bigger than on a Mobo. And they don't look too bad. No, don't know what exploded. Can that be unplugged? No, it can't. Okay, well, it's not modular. Yeah, I actually don't have a clue what I'm doing. I would believe that fan can be unplugged, so I can take that out and use it. All these wires. I'm just trying to have a look, guys, at what may have caused it to fail. Alright, the caps, they all look pretty good. And there was, at the back here, there was this massive spark that come from this region. This region here. So I'm thinking that yellow thing. So, time to speed things up again.
Guilt kicks in and I start to see the edge of the bed where your nightgown used to be. I told myself I won't miss you, but I remembered what it feels like beside you.
I found out what blew in it. As you can see, they come out of that sort of region. Oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry, at that part, at the rear fan. So that looks accurate, and so there you go, huh? That's what blew up in it. I'm gonna try and get this out properly and show yous. Okay, guys. I believe it is something in here what failed or overheated was something, maybe this coil pack. That just shocked me. And yeah, so we can see here it is not green, it is supposed to be green. A wire of sorts has melted. I wouldn't have this problem in an oil cooled build sort of thing. And if it did, well, run. Because oil plus spark equals fire. Air plus spark equals Big Bang. Me shit brick. So yeah, sorry. Holding the camera the wrong way, how noobish. Yeah, so don't really know what to say of this. Sort of a fail on FSP group. What a piece of shit. Yeah, it keeps sparking me somehow. Maybe I should have grounded it. That's not. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just fucked in the head. Don't think I can take this fan out. Gonna have a better look later. It has been later, and no, you cannot. I don't know what any of this is really. I know nothing about electricity or anything along those lines. But yeah, as I keep on rambling about, I just cut those wires because I wanted to get that off. Yeah, we found the issue. It's unfixable, and I wasn't gonna fix it. I was just gonna replace it anyway. So, thank you guys for watching, and leave a thumbs up like that, and leave a comment down below on how much you hate FSP group because their power supply blew up in your 2004 custom built, which has been used less than your brand new one made this year. And before you go to make a video about it. Yeah, that's me. So, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.